Did you do your homework? So in step 5, we had some homework assignments, and you really need to do the homework assignments. I know it's like being in high school again, but in order to progress through the masterclass, you have to do your homework assignments. It's essential. So will you be offering the buyback guarantee program in your inspection business? And there's a link there to click to the buyback guarantee program. What I like about the buyback guarantee link is, let's go there now, slide a little bit over, is that you can click this button to view all inspectors who are participating in the buyback guarantee program. And here they are. So this is a list of home inspectors who are participating in the buyback guarantee program, and it's just listed in alphabetical order. But you could take a look, and I would call them up. Like call up Joshua, and there's his phone number. Call up Benjamin in Michigan. How about Cyril in Sherwood, Oregon, and just ask them, what is the buyback guarantee program doing for you? Look at all the people participating in the buyback guarantee program, right? Just call them up and ask, hey, how long have you been using the buyback guarantee? Is it worth it? It's $5 per guarantee. How does it work? Do real estate agents like it? Do your clients like it? Do you have any problems with it? Ask the inspectors who are using the program. Okay, so that's kind of like another homework assignment. Did you calculate profitable home inspection fees with that calculator? That is a lot of fun, that calculator, and it's free and online, trying to figure out the real time that you spent, the actual time that you spent, the time that you invest in making money so that it's profitable. So, did you subscribe to the YouTube channels of InternetChi? How about my YouTube channels? Do you have your own YouTube channel for your own business? It's free. It's very easy to do. You got to get online. You got to start doing selfie videos and putting that content, that rich content, up online so people can find you. And how did the inspection of the bathroom GFCI go? Did you test it? Did you take a picture of it? Did you upload it? Did you type about it? Did you make notes? Did you use software? Did you use our checklist? And how did the practice home inspection on your own home go? How long did it take? Did you get better? Are you more efficient with the home inspection process? Did you use any checklists to speed up the process or remind you how to inspect every component of a particular system? Okay, those were your homework assignments. Thank you for doing the homework assignments. If you have a problem doing the homework assignments, we're here to help. Okay, let's continue.